welcome back to another instalment of Project Jimbo in the Al-fresco garage. Well, I've been gifted this dashboard from a lovely guy called Daniel Hobbs on Facebook. I picked it up yesterday. It does need some work. He was getting rid of it, so I thought I'd give it a whirl, see if I could get it back looking something like. So we started off. We broke it down to all its components. We've got the door, we've took the hinges off, the clock, took that out, and then the dash section where the clocks go and your indicator lights. So as we can see, there's a lot of cracking in the veneer. So what we're going to try and do is strip the old veneer off and get some new veneer and get it veneered and see if we can save it. So let's get to work on the dashboard. So for this, we've got the wife's Phoenix Gold ceramic iron. Don't tell her I've been using this. She might want me to do my pants. Jug of water, a damp cloth, and as you can see, we've had a go and a bit of a, you can use a screw. I'm using a small flat screwdriver, any scrape will do. As you can see, we've got all this off up to here, so let's have a look. That's what we do. The damp cloth, stick the iron on, making sure not to burn the cloth. All we're doing here is gently warming the glue, it's holding the veneer to the wood back. As you can see, I'm trying to do this one-handed obviously while I'm filming as well. Get a bit more heat on there. If not, we'll try and set the camera up. I'm just trying to give you a quick insight of how to do it. Not how I'm doing it. As you can see, the veneer is just pulling away from the glue underneath. And basically, that's the old veneer coming off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crack on with the iron. We'll come back shortly and I've got a bit more of it off. As we can see, the veneer just pulls away. So we're getting the old veneer off. So we can see the difference. This has still got the coating on. This is now all been stripped back. What I'm actually thinking is that this is actually the walnut under here, and it's had a, if you look, it's like a shellac. It's coming off. And that's all what we've got off it. So we've got the dashboard all stripped. You can see the area of repair needed here, here, and then this corner here. Yep, did my finger. So we've got that sanded back a bit. Get it all inside, all sprayed. I'm going to spray that black. It's got a black finish like it has now. All that's been done there. Just looks like it's laser ply. And it's had a top coating of wood effect that's been shellacked. So we'll get this finished. We'll get the lights finished. Get them stripped down as well. Like I said, using the towel and the Phoenix gold iron. We managed to get under the glue and get that off. So keep watching. In part 2 we'll get the new veneer to go on. We'll try giving it a coat in the new veneer.